Right. Last where I left off, I do use this as a pill fob, just not for what you think. Well, I did use it for pills at one point. I got paper down at the bottom of this and around it as a tubing. And I got pills in here. Yeah, Aleve. So sue me if you're gonna sue me for carrying Aleve. When I get headaches, and if they go away, they go away. If they don't go away, I feel like I gotta vomit. Yeah. So, these are the pill fobs here. I'm planning on carrying the pink one as a little mini kit. I do smoke. Here's one of the products I like to smoke. Cigarillos. I like different cigars, but I always come back to their cigarillos and tiny little perforated cigars. Here's the lighters I use. Not the best. This is a, well, shoot. The name rubbed off on it. Premium Spark. It's not the best, but it does light up. And it's better than most. This is a Wizard Zippo. Received this for Christmas. Very much like it. Pocket carried. You can see some of the pocket wear on it. See, that flame is still kind of good. Showed off the fixed blades. The two main fixed blades I like to EDC for general purposes. Before I go to my belt, I want to talk about this and a few other things, you know. Paracord bracelet. I got it up at Walmart when they were selling these. I like it. If I'm to wear it, I'm gonna wear it. Right now I'm rocking this silver. This worn silver. And this high quality stainless. Well, it's not stainless, it's steel without the nickel. Don't mind the pinky. But this is don't have the nickel on it. That makes it tarnish when you wear it, so it doesn't react funny to your sweat. This is a pen I'm going to carry as of right now. I got this one, a little cheapo. That's not the brand, but for what it is, and it's got a free flowing ink, so it's kind of like it's got a free flowing ball gel ink in there, so it's pretty much like a fountain pen in ballpoint form. It's pretty much all the goodness of a fountain pen, and it's pretty much some of the goodness of a fountain pen when you write with those. And ballpoint form. And I need to get some skinny refills for this. Perhaps maybe some purple and black. Nice big. Accu. What is it? Time Watch Corporation. Again, another cheap watch company, but they produce these Marvel watches, Man of Steel, Punisher. This one's a nice one. This one's a nice weather resistant. This one's a nice waterproof. 165 can take it into a swimming pool and put it in there for about 2-3 minutes. Armatron. Sketch your light up here. Get your time, or get the time you want to set the time you want to set the alarm, the date. You only have to remember what year it is, so it's not as so it's 2016. Such. Then it goes into a stopwatch. And if you were to reset the time by traveling through the time, it'll do an automatic switch over to military time, and then it would military time, and then it would be a military time, and as long as you leave it set as military time, it would stay as military time. And same thing for standard time. You set it up for standard time, it would stay for standard time as long as you don't mess around with the switching to. It would tell time in standard time, you know. Something you should know is I carry this. Ooh. I think it's a 35-36 inch chain. Why? Just my good luck chain. My good luck charm. And then put a cross in front of it. No, it's not silver. It's just something I found that I thought was kind of cool when I was younger. Whistle. 115 decimals, I think you can get it up to on silver chain. Fox 40 Classic. Below that, when you need somebody to find you, you're lost in the woods. Very rarely do I go out in the woods, but if I was traveling and I was out in the middle of nowhere, just for whatever reason, car breaks down, I have happens to be in a wooded area, or we crash, we're alright. Cars totaled, it happens to be in a wooded area. We don't know how to get back. I don't know how to get back. Or the person with me. There you go. There you go. Okay. On to the flashlight. High, low, strobe. High 240. It's a Coleman. Low is either 35 or 25. Strobe is 240. Strobe mode, power strobe, and it would disorientate who's ever coming at you. Now, this is the belt I keep everything on. I took this off for video purposes. I just keep it around my waist. And yeah. This is a little knife, a little backup. I've used it a few times just to see what it's like. Real great, just a little backup. I got just a little knife I got as a backup. I'm not gonna be able to do that one-handed. Whoopsies! Can't do it one-handed. Oh, me my jokes. Now, yeah, I got it taped. Coming apart right there a little bit. Works fine now. Touchscreen pen I like to use. I got another one with a built-in pen for if I absolutely need a pen for whatever, I'll use that. And it's got a little flashlight, just enough for reading, and a little laser light, keep my cat busy.